lost to all. Now you're all gonna die.
He's gonna guess to change and suck ass. He'd rather take a diarrhea dump in his beer. He'd rather eat his ear and down it with diarrhea. He's the angriest buffalo you've ever heard. He's the shitty Nintendo nerd. He's the shitty Atari Sega nerd. He's the shitty video game nerd.
It's winter, it's fucking winter, it's fucking cold. We're playing some winter games. Oh boy. Let me get the greeting out of the way. Merry fucking Christmas, happy fucking Hanukkah, happy fucking everybody, happy fucking holidays, happy shut the fuck up. But there ain't nothing happy about this shit. This is Winter Games on the NES. It's one of those NES games which seems like a simple concept. How bad could it possibly be? But this is just one piece of the turd shat out by Epix. They made Winter Games which found its way on every home console known to mankind. Let's see. Alright, the game boots up. What's the point? I don't want to play the game. I want to watch this. Even more senseless, they actually give you an option of playing the game. The name entry screen is fun. You can't move the cursor up or down. It only goes left and right. Fun. Not to mention, they let you spell 4-letter words, which I can think of plenty. The point is, name entries is hard. In the Atari 2600 version, you could compete fast. It was simple, but it worked. So being that this is NES, they're obviously going to jump over to a newer console. The Atari version had 7 events, so we can assume that this one will have 2. Well, all that happens here, you jump, you crash, you jump, you crash, you jump, and you crash. All you can do is jerk off. Fuck! What fun, people. Isn't that the most beautiful, radiant sound that has ever been blessed upon your soul? Next, let's try the sled, Bob. I'm hitting buttons. All it needs to be said about Winter Games is this is a blizzard of fun. Yeah!